Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Unicel Pool Filters is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining crystal clear and healthy water in your swimming pool, ensuring a pristine environment for relaxation and enjoyment. These filters are engineered with advanced technology and high-quality materials to effectively trap debris, sediment, and other impurities that can cloud your water and compromise its safety. Investing in a top-tier pool filter like those from Unicel means fewer chemicals needed, reduced water waste from backwashing, and a consistently inviting swimming experience, making it an indispensable part of your pool maintenance routine. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply Universal Replacement Filter Cartridges, Type AC. Introducing our premium quality replacement filter cartridges. They are designed for superior cleaning, ensuring your pool water is crystal clear all season long. These filters offer universal compatibility, working with most above-ground pools and pumps that use Type A, C, or even Type 3 filters. They are a perfect fit for Intex, Bestway, and Summer Waves models. Crafted from high-quality polyethylene terephthalate fibers, they provide advanced cleaning power. The durable, collapse-resistant inner core ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for pool pumps ranging from 530 to 2,000 gallons per hour. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 2 weeks. Enjoy easy maintenance with these washable and simple-to-replace cartridges. They are designed for long service lives, giving you more time to enjoy your pool. With dimensions of 8 inches high and 4.25 inches in diameter, featuring a nearly 2-inch center hole, they are designed for a perfect fit in your existing filter system. What we like. This pack offers incredible value with 4 universal cartridges compatible with many above-ground pool systems. They are designed for easy cleaning and reuse, making maintenance a breeze. If you're looking for an economical and versatile option for your above-ground pool, this is a great choice. What people say. These were the biggest bang for my buck and have helped keep my pool clean. You get 4, which honestly is enough to last all year. We clean the filter about every 2 days and then put it back. I've had these for a few weeks and the build quality of them is amazing. We are able to wash them and reuse them just like the big name brand. Number 4. FutureWay C1200 Pool Filter Cartridge. Introducing the FutureWay C1200 Pool Filter Cartridge, designed as a perfect match for your Hayward Star Clear Plus C1200 pool filter. It's also a direct replacement for several other popular filter models. Rest assured with its NSF/ANSI 50 certification, guaranteeing safe materials for your pool. Its advanced trilobal pleated design captures 3 times more debris, ensuring exceptionally clean water. With precise dimensions of 8 to 15/16 foot outer diameter, for inner diameter, and 23 to 1/4 height, installation is a breeze. You can easily fit it into your existing filter system without any concerns. Constructed with durable spun-bond polyester and a robust inner core, this filter is built to endure. It can handle high-pressure water flow, making it a long-lasting and valuable addition to your pool maintenance. Maintain your pool economically and eco-friendly by regularly cleaning and reusing this filter cartridge. We suggest cleaning it monthly to ensure optimal performance and a consistently clean swimming experience. What we like. This filter boasts NSF certification and a unique trilobal pleated design that captures significantly more debris. Its robust construction can handle high water pressure, ensuring longevity. If you prioritize certified safety and superior debris capture for consistently cleaner water, this is the filter for you. What people say. I instantly noticed cleaner water. Leaves, hair, sand, and other debris are contained much more efficiently than with my old cartridge, and it suited my filter housing precisely, no leaks or compatibility issues. I'm amazed with how well the water remains clean even after frequent usage, and the pleated design appears to catch a lot more debris than a typical fabric filter. It is very simple to maintain. I use a hose to rinse it once a month, and it lasts a long time, saving me money and water. Number 3. Unicel C840990 Square Foot Pool Filter Cartridge. Achieve sparkling clean pool water with this high-performance filter cartridge. Its advanced media effectively captures debris and particles, ensuring clarity. Designed with sharp, uniform pleats, this filter maximizes water flow and minimizes pressure loss. It efficiently holds more debris, keeping your pool pristine. Constructed from 100% polyester remaining material, it offers excellent dirt-holding capacity and durability. It's also easy to clean and resistant to chemicals. Featuring a convenient end cap design with a 4-inch ID and molded gasket, installation and replacement are a breeze. The durable plastic resists damage. This filter is compatible with leading pool equipment brands including Hayward, STA Wright, and Waterway. Enjoy peace of mind with a perfect fit. With 90 square feet of media and 174 pleats, it's built to last. Keep your pool in top condition with this reliable replacement cartridge. What we like. With 90 square feet of media and sharp pleat folds, this cartridge maximizes water flow and debris capture. It's constructed from durable, chemical-resistant polyester. If you need efficient filtration for medium-sized pools and want a filter that balances performance with durability, consider this option. What people say. This filter is a perfect fit for my pool and it works great. The Unicel filter is a high-quality product that effectively cleans the water. I've been using Unicel filters for years and they always perform well. Number 2. Unicel C9419 Replacement Filter Cartridge. Introducing the Unicel C9419 Replacement Filter Cartridge. Designed to provide exceptional filtration for your 200 square foot Predator pool, ensuring crystal clear water. With a diameter of 10/116 inches and a length of 31/18 inches, this cartridge offers a precise fit. Its open 6-inch inner diameter end caps make installation and removal a breeze. Featuring 234 pleats and made with 4-ounce Remy 2040 media, it delivers an impressive 200 square feet of filter area. This means more efficient cleaning and better water clarity. Enjoy more time relaxing and less time maintaining your pool. This filter is engineered for longer periods between cleanings, keeping your water pristine with less effort. Rest assured, this replacement cartridge meets original equipment manufacturer specifications. You can trust its quality and performance to keep your pool water clean and clear. What we like. This filter offers a massive 200 square feet of filter area, meaning longer periods between cleanings. It meets OEM specifications for reliable performance and excellent water clarity. If you have a larger pool or want to minimize maintenance frequency, this high-capacity filter is an excellent selection. What people say. Very sturdy and fits Pentair filter perfectly. And made in the USA. Easy to install and works very well for my whole house filter. Replaced filter on my Pentair CC200 filter assembly. I found that this allows the element to dry out and fluff back up for better filtration. Also, the filter is quickly back in operation, just a few minutes, and I have time to completely clean the filter. This filter cleaned the haze from my pool in 2 hours, so far so good. Number 1. Unicel C7470 80 square foot pool filter cartridge, 4-pack. Introducing the Unicel C7470 replacement pool filter cartridge. This pack of 4 ensures your pool stays sparkling clean with 80 square feet of filtering power. Each cartridge features 170 sharp pleats, designed to capture debris down to 20 microns. This maximizes water flow and ensures your pool is free of unwanted particles. Crafted from 100% polyester remaining material, these filters offer excellent dirt-holding capacity and durability. They are also easy to clean, maintaining their performance over time. The end caps are designed for simple removal and replacement, with a durable plastic construction that resists chemical damage. Enjoy hassle-free pool maintenance. These filters are compatible with popular brands like Pentair Pool Products, Pac Fab, and Waterway. They measure 7 inches in diameter and 20 inches in length for a perfect fit. Invest in the quality and performance of Unicel. Keep your pool water pristine all season long with this convenient 4-pack. What we like. This pack provides 4 cartridges, each with 80 square feet of media designed for optimal debris capture. They are made from a durable, chemical-resistant material for extended life. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to ensure clear water with multiple replacements ready, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. Fits better and filters more completely. It's the same price as having the pool man clean them and way cheaper than being splashed with cold nasty water for an hour cleaning them myself. Plus these are new and last much longer. definitely does a great job at keeping the pool clear and easy to clean and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.